Standing balance is where we start to take Pilates into a standing position. Ultimately, we want all of these exercises to become functional in your day-to-day living. And let's be honest, we don't lie down all day, every day. So we want to start to apply the principles into a standing position. So this here is related to femur arcs, which is one of the first beginner exercises that we do lying on our back, but we're in a standing position. Start just standing up nice and tall with your feet hip distance apart, reaching long through the spine and the crown of the head. Lift one leg up and take hold of it through the backs of the thigh. Allow the leg to be heavy in your hands. Maintain the length in your spine as you do this. You're just going to straighten this leg out as long as you can and bend it back down. So the idea is that you're bending and straightening the leg without any loss of control in the stabilizing leg, the foot that's on the floor, and also without any loss of control through the pelvis. What you want to watch out for is the pelvis tucking under as you straighten the leg. Try to maintain your balance, try to maintain your length in your spine, and just straighten the leg out gently to where you can without any loss of control.